Most of us don't think twice about our ability to hear. The subtle crunch of leaves, the swell of music, but as we age, something begins to fade. Slowly, quietly, our hearing slips away.
We are born with a certain number of hair cells, about 30,000 of them, but then we begin to lose them as we get older.
At the heart of our hearing lies a delicate system, tiny hair cells deep in the inner ear that vibrate in response to sound. But once damaged, they don't grow back, and that's a big problem. At the University of Arizona College of Medicine, Phoenix, one scientist is asking fundamental questions about how we hear, and more importantly, how we can hold on to that ability longer.
What we do here is to understand how hearing happens. The question is, what really happens to these cells? And because we cannot regenerate them, we have to find ways in which we can prevent the degeneration that occurs as we age.
This is Dr. Ebenezer Yamoah, and his team hopes to understand the mechanism of hearing. Humans can detect sounds from a whisper at 0 decibels all the way up to the roar of a jet engine at 120.
In terms of energy, that is almost like 6-fold, trillion-fold difference. So what did nature make that has such a atomic sensitivity, but at the same time had this broad range of sensitivity?
To answer that, the team is digging deep, down to the molecular level, studying the very proteins and genes that respond to sound.
We are really interested in knowing which molecules actually engages with sound energy in order to actually begin the process of hearing.
While a cure for hearing loss remains out of reach, slowing its progression may be possible. And that's where Dr. Yamoah's research could change lives.
Our goal is to be able to understand the mechanism of the cell death and to be able to recommend what could possibly be done in at least decreasing the rate at which the cells die as we age.
For Dr. Yamoah, the mission is more than science. It's a quest to preserve the sounds of life for as long as possible.
If in the end we can understand at least one of the properties of the auditory system, I would say it's about time to retire.